I chose Hugh Baird because the facilities look good. They had loads available, you know, mirrors and lights. It's all set up as though you're in a professional salon.
The quality of stuff that they got us in our kits, obviously it was all like top quality. We knew that we were using the correct stuff, and obviously the use of the library as well. Everything you needed was in the college.
You've got all the vehicles, all the jacks, all the tools you'll ever need. So everything that the college has got, dealerships, garages, will all have the same. The workshops in other colleges weren't up to the same standard as Hugh Baird's are.
I'll definitely say you have a lot more creative freedom. There's a camera we can use. There's one main 4K cameras, but there's other smaller cameras you could use.
The simulation suite is like the really fantastic piece of equipment. These can do like cardiac arrests, you can learn your vital signs, learn how to do cannulation. So for Hugh Baird to actually get them, I think was a fantastic opportunity for health and social care students. If you want the hands-on experience, Hugh Baird's the place.